Stop scrolling. Look at me. You have exactly 1 day before you become a liar again. Not a week, not a month, 24 hours. And if you close this video without doing what I say, you just proved you enjoy being weak. So stay, or stay the same. Your call. You have 24 hours, not a week, not a month, 1 single day. And if you spend it like you spent yesterday, nothing changes. You already know that. You've had 1,000 yesterdays. Same guilt, same phone, same promise before sleep. Then morning comes and you're right back in the same cage you built with your own 2 hands. So here's the truth they will never tell you in a motivational video. You don't need 30 days. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need to read 12 books first. You need 1 day where you refuse to lose. 1 day where you act like your life depends on it. Because it does. This is not a test run. This is not a Monday reset. This is do or die. And if that sounds dramatic, good. You should be scared. Comfort has made you numb. It's time to feel the weight of wasted time again. Morning 1, you wake up. No phone, no snooze, no lying in bed negotiating with yourself. You stand up before your brain talks you out of it. That is not a habit yet. That is war, and you win the first battle of the day before most people open their eyes. Then you go outside, not to the gym, not yet, just outside. Air in your lungs, feet on concrete. You walk for 10 minutes without music, without a podcast, without distraction. Just you and the sound of your own breathing. That silence is where the real problems live. Stop running from them. Now the hard part. You sit down with 1 piece of paper and 1 pen. You write down every lie you told yourself this year. I'll start tomorrow. This is just who I am. I don't have time. I'll do it when I feel ready. All of it on 1 page. No filter, no cleaning it up. Then you burn that page. Not for Instagram, not for a video. Burn it because that version of you dies today. Watch the smoke go up. That was your old identity leaving your body. Now you rebuild. 3 categories: body, mind, money. 1 hour each. Not tomorrow, today. 1 hour of hard movement. Run until your lungs burn. Push until your arms shake. Sweat is not punishment. Sweat is the proof that you still have a spine. 1 hour of learning something that pays. A skill, a business idea, a certification. 1 hour of staring at uncomfortable numbers, your bank account, your debt, your rent. No more hiding from the math. Then evening. No scrolling, no Netflix, no eating trash on the couch. You cook something real. You clean your room like your future depends on it. You write down 3 things you will do tomorrow. Small things, real things, things you cannot fake. And when your head hits the pillow that night, you will feel something you haven't felt in years. Not happiness, not pride, just exhaustion with a purpose. A quiet knowing that for 1 day, you did not run, you did not hide, you did not quit. That feeling, that is the seed of everything. 1 day will not fix your entire life, but 1 day will prove that you can. And once you know that, you can never pretend to be weak again. Tomorrow you wake up and do the same thing, and the day after, and the day after, until the old you is just a name you used to answer to. This is Testrox. If this video punched you in the chest, hit subscribe, because I don't make soft content for soft people. I make content for the ones who are done being average. You have 24 hours starting now. Don't waste them.